One justifiable comment that has given me food for thought during my research so far is that by undertaking an introspective approach to authentic leadership and the learning organisation, what I'm doing is a form of continuing professional development, as it involves trying to improve my practice. But it is not worthy of being called research, some people say. It is not being seen as being able to contribute to an established body of knowledge. I have various responses to this comment, but my main argument goes like this. All of us, from the time we start to conceptualize, or maybe even before, start to develop our own theories of the world we inhabit as unique individuals. We do so through our experiences, through stories we are told or hear, the experiences of others relayed to us, and the emotions we feel. As we go through life, we add more experiences and knowledge about our world, and we modify, change, add and subtract our understandings as we develop. Sometimes this can be a rapid development, such as when we touch a hot surface and learn that it hurts. Sometimes it can be a slow process, such as when we learn a language or a new skill. As we all live in different times and different environments, we all have different experiences, even if we are close, such as twins. Therefore, I argue, there is such a thing as different strokes for different folks. As we develop through our experiences, we create our own living theses of the world around us. Living because it is constantly being moulded by our experiences on a day-to-day basis. And the theses because it is our way of offering an explanation of what we see and what we do. As researchers, we look at concepts such as leadership. And can we really, when we do that, ignore the individual DNA of the leader's values, their hopes, their dreams and fears? Can we really afford to assume that all authentic leaders, for example, have the same traits? Do we make assumptions that those traits, such as compassion, have the same roots, that they mean the same things, even though the label is the same? Do we assume that whatever the root, those with the same traits will always think and behave in the same way? The premise, therefore, is that although I share many things with my fellow humans, I am unique. Therefore, if I want to improve my practice, maybe I should research what makes me unique, my current practice, and offer my own explanations for what I do. This might then provide me with insights and new knowledge about myself that could lead to a change in what I do, i.e. a change in behavior as a leader and my ability to influence others, so that I can achieve my aim of improving outcomes for children and young people. Throughout the reading I have taken so far in my research on authentic leadership and related topics, I have yet to come across scholarly writing that approaches research into leadership, yet alone authentic leadership and its place in a learning organisation from a perspective of the leader's own unique understanding of themselves, their values and how they have been moulded, nurtured, challenged, shaped over time, and how they influence the way in which they think and behave now. This approach, I believe, is unique and a significant contribution to knowledge.